Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goyal, practicing company secretary. I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel FCS Divesh Goyal. So last videos में हमने डिस्कस किया था MSME सीरीज के बारे में. अब now in this video we are going to discuss about a very important topic of the company law or the MCA website, that is MCA version 3. As we know, these days MCA version 3 is the most controversial topic in between the professionals like company secretaries, because MCA has changed their version V2 to V3 for the LLPs, due to which professionals and the corporates are facing lot of difficulty. I must tell you, as we know, the ministry is doing lot of efforts to resolve all the issue, to resolve all the queries. So we should keep little bit patience with the ministry for the betterment of the website of the V3 version. In this video, in this series of the video, we will discuss the different questions and the different topics of the V3 version. As lot of questions has been received by me from my WhatsApp group Gyan Gurukul from the professional regarding V3 version. So in these videos, I will try to answer those questions. I am trying to answer the questions, and for that I am referring the FAQs of the MCA, I am referring the webinars of the MCA. So इस वीडियो में जो मैं क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ वो क्वेश्चन ये है. Many person ask me कि we are having the multiple user ID which we have created in the V2 version with the same email ID. V2 version में क्या था, एक email ID से multiple login IDs क्रिएट हो जाती थी, बट V3 वर्जन में एक email ID से एक ही आपकी login ID क्रिएट होती है. So the question is that मेरी old V2 वर्जन में एक email ID से multiple login IDs क्रिएट थी. Now मैं उसे उन सभी IDs को कैसे अपडेट करूं बिजनेस वर्जन में, V3 वर्जन में. You know V3 there are the two things, registered user and the business user. In the V3 you have to update, you have to upgrade your old login IDs as a business user. Your all old IDs should be now updated as a business user. तो आपकी जितनी भी पुरानी login ID थी MCA की वेबसाइट पे, उन सभी login IDs को आपको V3 वर्जन पे अपग्रेड करना है एज अ बिजनेस यूजर. बट V3 वर्जन एक ईमेल आईडी से एक ही आईडी क्रिएट करने देता है, एक ही आईडी अपग्रेड करने देता है. अब नाउ मैंने तो मल्टीपल आईडीज बनाई हुई थी इन द V2 वर्जन, तो हाउ टू अपग्रेड दैट. तो फॉर दैट मिनिस्ट्री सेड इफ यू हैव मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स इन द वर्जन 2 with same email ID, please log into the portal of the V3 portal with the same credentials and click on the update profile on the top right corner. सबसे पहले आप उस login ID को V3 वर्जन में जाके login करो और update profile पे क्लिक करो. In the update profile there is a option of the edit. In the edit you have to edit your email ID and provide a new and unique email ID. See, ministry have given us a option, given us a chance कि आप अपनी जब प्रोफाइल अपग्रेड करोगे तो वहां पे एडिट का ऑप्शन है. आप अपनी ईमेल आईडी को एडिट कर दो और अर्लियर ईमेल आईडी को हटा के कोई न्यू यूनिक ईमेल आईडी वहां पे लिख दो. सो once you will mention new email ID and you will upgrade it, and once upgrade it, then you have to save it. After that, after successful done this process, अब जो आपकी न्यू ईमेल आईडी है, द न्यू ईमेल आईडी became your username of such account, and the user will be able to log in with the uploaded email ID and the password. But one thing we have to keep in mind, you can edit your email ID only once. सिर्फ एक बार आप email ID edit कर सकते हो. तो take the proper care. For an example, if you have 5 login IDs on the MCA website in V2 version, then do one thing. One login ID you can keep with the old email ID and upgrade that as a business user, but other 4 login ID go into the edit option and change the email ID, then upgrade it. So क्या होगा जब आप email ID change करके upgrade करोगे ना, तो वो वाला अकाउंट अब आपकी पुरानी ईमेल आईडी से डीलिंक हो जाएगा. जो वो अकाउंट पुरानी ईमेल आईडी से डीलिंक हो जाएगा तो आपके दोनों अकाउंट वर्क करेंगे. आपका जो उस ईमेल आईडी से एक अकाउंट बना हुआ है वो भी वर्क करेगा और न्यू ईमेल आईडी से जो अकाउंट बना है वो भी वर्क करेगा. सो दिस इज द ओनली प्रोसेस if you want to use your earlier all login IDs which you have created into the V2 version. Hope your doubt will be clear by this video. In the next video, we will try to cover the next new questions and the different things for the betterment of this profession and the betterment of the society. I know कि ये FAQs मिनिस्ट्री ने already issue किए हैं, but sometime क्या होता है कि FAQs को भी हमें समझ नहीं आता है या we want to understand. So I'm trying to elaborate these FAQs to all of you so that आपको easily ये चीज समझ आ जाए. Thank you so much.